Good morning, everyone. My name is Mirja Basra and I am a teacher in Vidya Valley School. Today I am going to speak on incorporating values and ethics in learning process. Ethics and equity and the principle of justice do not change with the calendar. Ethics are the roots of good education. Today students are running for grade and not giving importance to moral values and ethics. So, this is our duty to enroot these things in their mind. I am a teacher and I taught many students in different schools. And I realized that without putting ethics and moral values among them, our teaching is like a human body without bones. As a human body is unable to stand without bones, same as students cannot stand mentally without moral values and ethics. I remember one of my students who was very indisciplined in school. One day I gave him duty to maintain club room daily. Within a week I saw a change in student and club room too. Even I observed a wonderful change in him. I thought that this was his first step towards ethics. Ethics in education are important because they used to run the system smoothly, that set the standard of what is acceptable and what not. Ethics are an important part of the decision making. Students don't know what is ethic. I request to my all the friends that we should take oath that we will teach the students not only academics, we will enhance their personality with moral values. Because if we teach them moral values, if we will teach them ethics, then they can improve themselves. And if they will improve themselves, naturally in the future they improve the country. Because we all know that students are the future of the country. And our country's future means students' future in our hands. And we can make our future, we can make our country's future better if we include all these things like moral values, ethics, discipline in our curriculum so that we can improve them. Thank you.